The Cuisinart Elemental 13-cup food processor is just the hand that you'll need in the kitchen. And this die-cast powerful 550-watt base is heavy-duty and has more than enough power to get the job done. I'm going to be making a buttery dinner roll recipe that you will just love. Now I'm going to reach into the accessory kit and pull out the dough blade. This is going to make the job easy. After allowing my dough to rise for a little more than an hour, you can see it's doubled in size and it's ready to be divided. Just going to turn that out, look at that, on the cutting board. Now I'm going to divide that by 12. I've preheated my oven to 450 degrees and I'm going to bake that until they're golden brown. After dividing the dough and arranging your rolls, cover with plastic wrap and allow the dough to rise for another 30 to 40 minutes. Let me tell you, there's nothing like the satisfaction of making your own bread at home with just a few simple ingredients, and the results, well, they speak for themselves.